Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Chrome browse history. And in today's video, I will show you the right way to delete your Google Chrome browse history. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your phone settings. Then scroll down right here until you get to Google. Go ahead and click on Google. Proceed with your Google email. Proceed with Google account. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on data and privacy. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on my activity. Now you are here. These are all your browse history from Google. You can see them right here. For you to delete as many as possible activity or browse history on your Google, go ahead and click on delete right here. So you can decide to delete the last hour, last day, all-time delete, or custom range. Everything depends on the kind of history you want to delete from your account. However, you can also delete by simply tap on this icon right here. Tap on this icon, delete now. Tap on the icon. This might take much time, so go ahead and click on got it. And you can go on and delete as many as possible history or activity right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your Chrome on phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.